Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will discuss about ng container. So ng container is most easiest thing. So guys, ng container means suppose if you are know HTML, so you will understand what is ng container, because guys when you are writing HTML code, so then you use a section and div. So ng container is similar like that, but there are some benefit that Angular provide. So in this tutorial I will discuss about the benefit. What is the benefit of ng container? So let's start. So guys, first of all, here suppose if I write section, okay, you know section, so and you can write the div, but in this tutorial for I will write the section to show the example. Okay, but here if I write div, it will be understandable, but here I'm using section. Okay, section, and inside this section, suppose if I write a h1 tag, and inside this h1 tag if I write hello, and the same things hello I will write inside this ng container. So first, and here I will write ng container. So the syntax of ng container is ng hyphen container, and now inside this ng container I will write hello again. Okay, and after that I will open the developer tool, so then you will find the difference between ng container and if you use section, div, span, anything. Okay, so ng container has some benefit that Angular provides, so that's why we use ng container. So let's see, it's compiling and it will take some time to compile. So after compile successful, then I will open the developer tool in our view. Okay, now it compiles successfully, and now here I will it's reloading, and now I will after successfully reloaded, so here you can see it's come hello and hello. So to better understand, here I will do one thing. In this section I will write one, okay, and inside this ng container here I will write 2, so then it will be fine which one is coming from section and which one is coming from ng container. So it's compiling and it will take some time. Okay, it's 93% compiled now, and okay, it's compiled successfully, and now it will be reloaded. Okay, so now you can understand that this is from section and this is from ng container. Okay, now now you cannot find the difference. Okay, but if I open the developer tool, so then it will find the difference. So I will open the developer tools and I will zoom in the developer tool side. So here you can see which one I have written inside this section. So I will zoom in again. So now I think it's perfect to understand. Okay, so this one inside this section, so you can see section, and when I will open this section, so you can find this h1 tag and hello, but which one I have written inside this ng container. So here you can see it's commented sign and only the h1 tag. So this is the benefit. ng container does not come in your DOM element, so the benefit is that it's a less of time complexity. So that means when your project will be rendered, so if you write ng container, so it does not comes in your DOM element, so it does not take to time to render, so it's a time complexity. So that's why we use ng container. Okay, so this is the benefit of ng container. It does not comes in your DOM element. Okay, and there are any other benefit, like if you use here select tag. Okay, so select, and if you write here option, okay, and just here I will write here option 1, and inside this option 2, and I will save here. Okay, it's compiled. Now I will close the developer tools. Okay, here it's a section, so I will add some CSS. So I will do one thing, just below here. Okay, just here I will, and this select tag I will set the width is 100%. Okay, and just I will add padding. To increase the size, I'm using this CSS. Okay, so padding is 20 pixel. So okay, you can see this is the selector. Okay, I know it's a not a proper styling, but just for explain I'm using that. Okay, this is the selector and now it's working perfectly. Okay, but suppose inside this selector if I use any div, and inside this div if I write this option, so let's see what happens. Okay, so now you can see it's not working properly. Here you can see it's not working properly because div is comes in your DOM element, and when we write select tag, so then after the select tag we have to write option, but I have written div, and inside this div I have written option, so that's why it's a error and it's not working properly. You can see here, but instead of div if I write ng container, okay, and here close tag of ng container. So let's see now what's happened. Okay, it's compile. Okay, now you can see it's working perfectly because the difference between div and ng container, here you can see the difference. Like div comes in your DOM element, so that's why it was not working, but ng container doesn't come your DOM element, so it's working. So this is the different, and you can say it benefit of ng container. So hope guys this video is help to you, and if you want to get more video of Angular, so please subscribe and press the notification bell icon also.